Hi, I'm Miss Absud Island and I'm meeting you after so long time. I very well understand that you have been missing me. And as you know from my last video, I have been shifting from Kolkata to Raipur, and it has been very difficult for me to shift with my family. There were so many items in my household and I have to do the whole lot of shifting from there to here. I have joined my new workplace and I didn't get as much time I used to get before, and I couldn't settle down faster here. So I'm really looking forward to the weekend that I'll be getting, the Holy weekend, and a few days more for the Holy festival. So maybe I will try to do work around my house and to settle everything around me beautifully. So I was quite busy these days. I really couldn't get time. I'm so sorry. I really should have spoken to you at least for a few minutes. But don't you worry, I'm here. So you must be having a lot of questions in your mind, and how is this new place that I have moved into. So yes, Raipur is very sweet. It's very, you can take your deep breaths here. So it's almost pollution free in the outskirts of the city. It's very calm and quiet, and you have very few people around, but you have lot of nature to ponder on. The environment is very good. You have shops around here, so the connectivity is good. But there are few cons, few problems which I faced after coming here. That is the heat. It's very hot, hotter than Kolkata, I guess. And Raipur it's getting on my nerves. It's so hot, so I have to get hold of some AC or something, or a cooler or anything of that sort which can keep my head and my physical body cool, and my mind cool at some time. So the heat, the first problem is heat. Next, as in Kolkata, used to get a lot of communication, day to day journey, everything. You have cabs, you have your buses and autos and rickshaws and everything and anything. If you wish that I will not walk 20 meters, you may not. So you'll become lazy if you go to Kolkata, because you don't have to walk. You have everything for your transport, and transport is very easy in Kolkata, though it takes a lot of time. There are jams, traffic, pollution, I get that, but you will get the transportation facilities anywhere around Kolkata. But here in Raipur, it's damn costly. Okay, you will not get transportation facilities that much. Buses go intercity, so within the city it's very difficult to travel. You have autos. Most of the times it's the frequency of the autos are very less, so either you have to hire an auto, or you have to stand in the heat for a long hours or minutes, maybe waiting for an auto to show up. Or maybe that auto is going to the same destination as you are, then only the auto will take you to that same place. Otherwise not. So maybe if you want to hire an auto for 1 or 2 hours, they will charge you around 700 to 800. And if you are living a little bit outskirts of the city, it's very difficult to get Ola, Uber, nothing comes. And the shops that you are getting inside, like a locality or a community, so you get shops and stuff here. But the main problem Kolkata people, especially Bengali people, will face is who are into non-vegetarian. You don't get non-vegetarian food so much. In fact, you don't have shops like to buy fish or chicken. You don't get that much out here. It's definitely there, but then you have to search for it. Go to particular communities where Bengalis are there to buy stuff, and non-veg stuff, and especially non-vegetarian restaurants and everything are there in particular areas. So it's not that like Kolkata you'll get anything anywhere. You'll go to shops are there in 2 hands distance. No, you have to walk, you have to travel. So yes, my legs beg every day. I have to walk a lot from my workplace back home where I'm staying right now. So maybe I'll after a couple of months I'll be thinner than what I look now, because of the heat and because of the extreme exercise that I'm going through day and night every day here. So yes, it's a good city, pollution free. People are very nice. They will help you in and out. They're always there for you. After I spend so much of money going to the bazaar and everything. I have my colleagues who helped me out. They came to my place, took me or my husband to places for shopping and everything, so that we don't spend extra money on transport. They have their cars or they have their vehicles, so they came to my house and helped me unpack also. So they are very helpful. Even neighbors here are very very helpful. They talk and you can mingle with them. So yes, a lot of help I got from people, especially if you're moving from outside. They really try to help you out in any situation, especially in my workplace. I'm really happy to say that every one of my colleagues, they are very good and they try to help me to get myself into here, because it's a totally a new culture for me. So I'm trying to, I'm missing Kolkata. I'm trying to fit in here, but after a couple of days working here, I feel I don't have to fit in. I'm been here for so long, so they made me feel comfortable and they gave me a lot of love, so I'm thankful for that. People of Raipur are really welcoming, and they have that warmth, so that is there. Only two problems I told you. One is heat, another one is transportation. So I'm going to buy a new motorbike or maybe a scooty for myself. Otherwise it will be difficult for me to travel around the city. And once you have your own vehicle, I guess the city is yours. Otherwise it's a little bit pinchy on the pockets. Anyway, so I will make new videos, and nothing was coming into my mind. I just wanted to talk to my viewers and tell them how I'm coping up with all the new situation, a new city, and how am I. So I wanted to just make a video out of it. Soon I will come back with my absurd ideas and I'll get back to you. Till then, please be hooked on to this channel. Like it, share it, comment on it, and I'll definitely come back in a few days. Don't be impatient. I'll not leave you unguided, so I'll always be there to guide you throughout. Thank you so much. This is Miss Absurd Island signing off. Thank you.